morning, gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. If you are new, it would mean so much if you guys hit the subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday. And if you guys seen my last fitness video, which was called I Gained Weight, I wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the support and love and all the sweet messages and just the messages about your stories and feeling like you can relate to me. That made me really happy that I put that video out because I was nervous about it. I know a lot of us struggle with body image issues and also struggle with feeling insecure when it comes to our bodies, unfortunately. I just wanted to be open, raw, and real, and 2020 was just not my healthiest year by no means, and I really wanted to start this health journey and weight loss journey. The main reason wanting to do this is to be the healthiest I can be. I decided to do my second videos to this little series and do a what I eat in a day. I want this to be kind of like a realistic, easy what I eat in a day. I don't believe in, diets and restricting yourself. I really believe in turning it into a healthy lifestyle so that it's sustainable and you could do it your rest of your life. You don't want to just go on a diet for a couple months and then you go back into your bad habits. So I'm gonna start off with a typical breakfast. I have a few options I go back and forth with, but I'll share with you guys what I'm kind of feeling like eating today. I'm gonna start off with some eggs and then I will move on and share with you guys the rest of my day of eating. Let's get to eating breakfast because I am honestly hungry. I also like to start off with a big giant glass of water, and I like to fill up this Starbucks tumbler at least like 5 times a day. I've really been trying to keep up with my water drinking ever since I did the water challenge, which is to drink a gallon of water every day. I will link that above and down below for you guys. I just find it makes such a big difference in my skin and my overall body. Cheers. I finished my breakfast and I am going to make a frappe right now. I usually haven't been having coffee every single day. Kind of when I really want it is when I'm making it. I just am trying not to have caffeine every day like I have for the past few years. Bring you over into my little coffee bar area. In order to make my frappe, I use this machine from Hamilton Beach. If I can, I will try to link like a similar one if you guys are interested in making coffees this way. It's not expensive at all. I just take a cup about this size. This is the coffee I use. It's the Nescafe Rich Double Filter Coffee Grounds. It just looks like this. Inside of my frappe, I love adding skinny syrup. It's 0 calorie, 0 sugar, and this is in the flavor vanilla. They have so many different flavors, so if you kind of want to spice up your coffees without adding like creamers and just unhealthy stuff, try this because it tastes so good. This is what it looks like with the froth, and then you just have to fill it up with water. But before I fill up with water, I just put the cap fill of the 0 sugar vanilla syrup. I put ice cubes in it. You want it to be really cold water, but you don't want the ice cubes to fall into the drink. It's just to make it colder. Coffee complete. I'm gonna update you guys when I eat a snack or lunch or whatever it may be. Talk to you guys in a little bit, AKA the next slide. I just did a quick workout and I always like to have a protein filled snack after my workouts. Something I've been going for honestly every single day or after my workouts, a Built Bar. If you guys haven't tried Built Bars, you need to right now because they are so delicious, but they are guilt-free, which is the best part. I'm so happy because I'm partnering up with Built Bar for this video. I've actually bought Built Bars on my own before partnering up with them for years, so it's really crazy to be able to work with them. They taste so delicious. You're going to thank me later. Let me put you guys down there. I picked up the mixed box. The mixed box is amazing, because that's a word. Is amazing because it comes with a bunch of different flavors. So if you don't know which one you like, this is the best one to go. And honestly, all their flavors to me taste delicious, so you can't really go wrong. I love their variety pack. They actually have 6 new flavors. These are some of the flavors in the box. They have flavors all the way from cookies and cream, which is honestly my favorite, toffee almond, coconut almond, carrot cake with walnuts, peanut butter brownie, apple almond crisp, mint brownie, lemon flavors, salted caramel, you name it. There's literally a flavor for everyone. What's really great about these bars is they are 100% real chocolate. They have amazing macros, so they are low in calories, but they're high in protein and also low in sugar. Usually their bars have between 4 to 5 grams of sugar, which is amazing because it tastes like you are eating a sugar-filled dessert. Sometimes protein bars kind of have a weird aftertaste, and that's why Built Bars are my favorite, because they taste delicious and I love the texture and there's no like disgusting aftertaste. I've tried so many different protein bars. These are my favorite. Built Bar was actually nice enough to give me a discount code. So if you go in my description box right now, I will have my 20% off discount code. You can click that and get 20% off your order, and trust me, you will not regret it. If you are joining me in this healthy journey, you wanna be able to find healthy snacks that taste delicious too, so you don't feel like you're depriving yourself. I love my sweets and desserts, so I can have one of these and not feel bad about it. Went ahead and chose the caramel brownie protein bar. You can tell I'm already eating it. So delicious. Protein bar only has 130 calories, 17 grams of protein, and as well as 4 grams of sugar. It is finally lunchtime, and today I'm just gonna have a smoothie. I just had my protein bar, as you guys saw, and I'm just feeling a smoothie today. I don't know why, I'm craving it. One thing though I'm missing is spinach. I like to add spinach or some sort of grains into my smoothies, but unfortunately we don't have any today. But I'm gonna share with you everything I like to put into my smoothie. These are all of the ingredients I'm gonna use. I just have some mixed berries. These have strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. I buy these frozen berries from Costco. I like to always add a banana whenever I make a berry smoothie. And then I always use this yogurt. It's just Greek yogurt, plain, unflavored. This is a great source of protein as well, and it's good with probiotics, so it's good for your gut. And then I am just adding some unsweetened almond milk. I always love almond milk as opposed to other types of milks. And I like to actually add a little bit of oats into my smoothie as a great source of fiber, so we love that. This has been a new thing. I'm just probably gonna add a couple dates into my smoothie. I'm gonna go ahead and just put them all in the blender, add a little bit of ice. Even though this is frozen, I like to make my smoothies extra cold. This is how my smoothie turned out. I actually made a lot. Like I said, if you have greens, definitely add spinach into it. You don't even taste it and you get your greens in. So I definitely would have done that if I did have my spinach. Let's test it out. This is my go-to smoothie when you just don't know what to add into a smoothie. Trust me, try this, tastes delicious. I'm gonna go finish my smoothie and I will catch you guys a little bit later when I'm making dinner. It is currently dinner time. It is just shy of 5 p.m. So I thought I would start to prep everything and make dinner. Today I'm gonna be making stuffed peppers, which is an easy and healthy recipe, and I'll probably pair that with salad, as you guys will see. So I thought I would start prepping and getting everything ready so dinner is ready at a good time, because I try not to eat too late. I will share with you guys how I cook it and then share with you guys how it ends up turning out. I'm just gonna go put my hair up now and let's get to cooking. I'm already crying. Currently, I just diced up the tomatoes and the onions as well. Now I'm gonna move on to the bell peppers. I just went ahead and washed the peppers, and now I'm just gonna cut them in half and then put some olive oil in the inside and then the outside. I just went ahead and drizzled some olive oil in the insides and then rubbed it on the outsides as well. And now I'm going to preheat my oven to 350, put them in for 15 minutes, and then take them out, stuff them, and put them back. These are how the stuffed peppers turned out, and I have a couple more there. So I'm probably gonna just have maybe 2. Great to even just freeze for meal prep or eating it later on. These ended up turning out so yummy. They look so delicious. I'm so excited to eat them. For dinner, I'm also just gonna have this kale salad as well. And that is everything I ate in a day. It is currently the next day. I didn't end up filming an outro because, to be honest, I was so tired after cooking, but I ended up eating 2 of the stuffed peppers, and I actually have leftovers, so I might actually have some of that for lunch today because they were so delicious. Totally recommend stuffed peppers. They taste so good. If you guys want to see more of these, because obviously I switch it up all the time, let me know by thumbsing it up. I sometimes have a snack after dinner, usually like some sort of veggies and hummus, but to be honest, I was so full from just eating the stuffed pepper and my kale salad. I'm having so much fun cooking in the kitchen. I've been posting a lot of my little recipes on Instagram, so definitely follow me on there at NICOLETTAXO. Don't forget also to check out the discount code to Built Bars down below. They are super yummy. You definitely have to pick it up as a healthy snack. And of course, click the subscribe button. I would love for you guys to be a part of my family. I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday. And on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!